Welcome back. Today we are making Lebanese tabbouleh, a bright raw parsley salad with lemon, mint, tomato, and olive oil. It is crisp, refreshing, and perfect when you want an easy recipe at home with no stove needed. This makes 4 servings, and the prep time is 35 minutes. Let us walk through the ingredients first. 1/4 cup fine bulgur gives tabbouleh its tiny tender bite, and the fine grain softens without any cooking. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice brings the sharp, sunny flavor that wakes up the parsley and also helps soften the bulgur. 2 bunches flat leaf parsley are the heart of the salad, so choose lively green leaves and dry them well for the best fluffy texture. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves adds the cool herbal note that makes Lebanese tabbouleh taste so refreshing. 3 medium-ripe tomatoes add sweetness, juiciness, and those little red pockets that balance all the herbs. 2 scallions give a gentle onion flavor that stays crisp and fresh in this raw salad. 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil rounds everything out with richness and gives the salad a beautiful glossy finish. 1 teaspoon fine sea salt seasons the vegetables and helps the tomato juices mingle into the dressing. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a soft peppery background without overpowering the lemon and herbs. 1 romaine heart gives us crisp leaves for scooping the tabbouleh, which is a simple and traditional way to serve it. To begin the prep, add 1/4 cup fine bulgur to a large shallow mixing bowl, then pour in 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice and stir so every grain is moistened. Now that the bulgur is coated, let it rest at room temperature for 20 minutes, so it can soften while we chop the fresh vegetables and herbs. While the bulgur softens, finely chop 2 bunches flat leaf parsley. Keep the knife moving through the leaves until the pieces are small and even, but not crushed. Next, finely chop 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves. The mint is delicate, so chop it just until it is small and fragrant. Now dice 3 medium-ripe tomatoes into small pieces, keeping the juices with the tomatoes because they help make the tabbouleh juicy and balanced. After the tomatoes, thinly slice 2 scallions, using both the white and green parts for a gentle onion flavor throughout the salad. Once the 20 minutes are up, fluff the softened bulgur with a spoon so it loosens and is ready to mix evenly through the herbs. Now add the finely chopped parsley and the finely chopped mint to the bowl, piling the herbs over the lemony bulgur. Add the diced tomatoes with their juices and the sliced scallions, spreading them over the herbs so the colors are ready to toss together. Season the salad with 1 teaspoon fine sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, sprinkling them evenly across the top. Pour in 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, letting it run over the herbs and tomatoes so the dressing forms right in the bowl. Now gently toss everything for 2 minutes, lifting from the bottom of the bowl until the bulgur, herbs, tomatoes, scallions, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper are evenly combined. Let the mixed tabbouleh rest for 10 minutes at room temperature, so the flavors settle and the herbs absorb the lemony olive oil dressing. While it rests, separate the leaves from 1 romaine heart and arrange the crisp leaves along the side of a low white serving bowl. To finish, give the tabbouleh one last gentle toss, then spoon it into the serving bowl beside the romaine leaves. The raw Lebanese tabbouleh is ready to serve. Here is your bright, no-cook Lebanese tabbouleh, exactly the kind of easy at-home recipe that tastes fresh, generous, and worth the chopping. Serve it with the romaine leaves for scooping, alongside grilled foods, hummus, or a simple lunch plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.